So these, of course, are those chopped down, and they're very fibrous and soft. So when I first saw them, I thought, oh, that looks like sharp and dangerous tree stumps, but it's not. They're very, very fibrous, very soft. So when they step on them, they just squish. Thought I'd do another perspective. So the tide raises the river by, you said it raises the river by a meter? The river raises a meter every day? Every day. There's Kayaking Green Cathedral. I'm gonna just, there we go. All of this he's been doing, and what an amazing job. You really did a great job, Sarath. So none of this was here. This all looked just like that and like that. He does tours with the van, and he's got kayaks for rent. He'll also take you on tours. This is awesome. Good job, man. Good job. Let's check this out. Oh, here, I'll show you the view from the upper balcony here. I like that kayak there. That's awesome. All right, let's go down. So he had to be smart. So the river rises with the tide, rises and lowers with the tide. So he had to do a hinged stairway. The stairway and this bottom dock here, deck, they have to float and lift and fall with the tide. So I can see it's on an angle right now because the tide is the river's so low. But what an idea. Wow. Good job, Sarath.